Welcome back to the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as old as time, but has found new life in the modern world. Sodium bicarbonate, or as most of us know it, baking soda. It's gone from being a simple kitchen ingredient to a powerful supplement that's making waves in both sports and health circles.
That's right, Emma. Sodium bicarbonate has been around for ages, but it's only in the last few decades that we've really begun to understand its full potential. Athletes are using it to boost performance, and health enthusiasts are exploring its benefits for kidney and cardiovascular health. But let's start with its journey into the world of sports.
Absolutely. The use of sodium bicarbonate as a performance enhancer dates back to the 1930s, but it wasn't until the 1980s that it really gained popularity. Researchers discovered that sodium bicarbonate could help buffer lactic acid during high-intensity exercise, which is crucial for delaying fatigue and improving endurance.
Exactly. And this isn't just theory. Top athletes like Keely Hodgkinson, the 800-meter gold medalist at the Paris Olympics, have credited sodium bicarbonate with giving them that extra edge in competition. But how does it actually work in the body, Emma?
Great question, Alex. Sodium bicarbonate works by enhancing the body's extracellular buffering capacity. During intense exercise, our muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers the pH in our blood, making it more acidic. This can lead to muscle fatigue and decreased performance. Sodium bicarbonate helps neutralize this acid, maintaining a more balanced pH and allowing athletes to perform at their best for longer periods.
That's fascinating. It's like giving your muscles a longer-lasting fuel source by keeping the acid levels in check. And what's interesting is that this buffering action isn't just theoretical. Studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can actually increase blood lactate levels after exercise, which means the body is effectively clearing out those hydrogen ions that cause fatigue.
Exactly, Alex. This makes sodium bicarbonate particularly effective for athletes involved in high-intensity sports that require short bursts of power, like sprinting, swimming, and combat sports. But as with any supplement, it's not without its challenges. The most common issue is gastrointestinal discomfort, which can be a real downside for athletes looking to perform at their peak.
Right, and to combat that, some athletes have turned to enteric-coated capsules or even hydrogel systems like Morton's bicarb system, which help to reduce those pesky side effects. But it's not just athletes who can benefit from sodium bicarbonate. Let's talk about its potential in health management, particularly for kidney and cardiovascular health.
Sure, sodium bicarbonate is being studied for its role in managing chronic kidney disease and hypertension. These conditions often involve metabolic acidosis, where the body becomes too acidic. Sodium bicarbonate acts as an alkalizing agent, helping to balance the body's pH and potentially slowing the progression of kidney disease.
That's incredible. In a 5-year study, participants with chronic kidney disease who were given sodium bicarbonate showed a slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't take it. It's not a cure, but it's certainly a promising avenue for managing the disease.
It is, and while the benefits for kidney health are clear, sodium bicarbonate also appears to offer cardiovascular benefits. The same study found that while fruits and vegetables were more effective in improving cardiovascular risk factors, sodium bicarbonate still played a crucial role in maintaining acid-base balance, which is essential for overall health.
So it's not just about improving athletic performance. Sodium bicarbonate can have a real impact on long-term health outcomes, especially for those with chronic conditions. But of course, it's important to approach supplementation with caution, particularly when it comes to dosage and timing.
Absolutely. The effective dosage typically ranges from 0.2 to 0.5 grams per kilogram of body weight, taken 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. However, some athletes prefer a multi-day protocol, taking smaller doses leading up to competition to minimize side effects. It's all about finding what works best for the individual.
And speaking of finding what works best, let's explore how sodium bicarbonate can be paired with herbal remedies for a more holistic approach to health and performance. This is where the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies really shines.
Definitely, Alex. When it comes to supporting the body's acid-base balance and enhancing performance, there are several herbs that can complement sodium bicarbonate beautifully. Let's start with Rhodiola rosea.
Rhodiola is an adaptogen that's been used for centuries to increase endurance, reduce fatigue, and improve resistance to physical and mental stress. It works by enhancing oxygen utilization and promoting energy metabolism, making it a perfect partner for sodium bicarbonate.
Next up is Cordyceps sinensis, a mushroom traditionally used in Chinese medicine. Cordyceps can increase ATP production, boosting cellular energy and stamina. It's also great for kidney health and can help manage blood sugar levels, adding another layer of support.
Then there's beetroot extract, which is high in dietary nitrates. Beetroot improves vascular health and blood flow, which can boost endurance and performance. The nitrates are converted to nitric oxide in the body, enhancing oxygen delivery during exercise, another excellent complement to sodium bicarbonate.
Hawthorn berry is another fantastic addition. It supports cardiovascular health by improving coronary artery blood flow, reducing blood pressure, and modulating cholesterol levels. Plus, its antioxidant properties protect against vascular damage, which is crucial for anyone concerned about heart health.
And of course, we can't forget dandelion root. Known for its diuretic properties, it helps support kidney function by flushing out excess sodium and toxins. It also contains potassium, which helps balance electrolytes, something that's especially important when using sodium bicarbonate.
Absolutely. Another important component is magnesium bisglycinate. This essential mineral plays a critical role in muscle function, energy production, and maintaining electrolyte balance. It acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to prevent cramps and supporting cardiovascular health.
And finally, there's the alkalizing greens blend, wheatgrass, alfalfa, and spirulina. These greens are powerful alkalizing agents that help maintain a healthy pH balance in the body. They support the natural buffering capacity, mitigating the acidifying effects of high-intensity exercise.
Putting all of these together, you get a powerful, holistic formula that not only supports athletic performance, but also promotes overall health. This is particularly valuable for athletes who want to avoid the potential side effects of high sodium intake while still benefiting from the buffering capabilities of sodium bicarbonate.
It's all about balance, and this combination of herbs and sodium bicarbonate offers a comprehensive approach to both performance and health. Of course, as with any supplement regimen, it's important to consult with a healthcare practitioner or registered herbalist to tailor the approach to your individual needs.
Absolutely, Alex. The key takeaway here is that while sodium bicarbonate is incredibly effective, especially in high-intensity sports, it's important to use it wisely and consider the broader context of your health and wellness. Pairing it with the right herbal remedies can enhance its benefits while minimizing potential risks.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode of the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. We hope you found this deep dive into sodium bicarbonate as enlightening as we did. If you enjoyed today's discussion, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review.
Thanks for joining us. Stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.